to another video with Joe Gaming, and you guys are probably not familiar with this game because I've never done a video, but so it's named Happily Family Farm. I thought I would do a video to introduce you to the game. I'm not going to be keeping it forever because I'm only doing this for Dragon City since it's a task, and if I get level 16, then over here that taskbar. When I get to level 16, I'll get gems on Dragon City, so that's why I'm doing it. So these things are tasks, orders to get XP, so then I can get to more levels and stuff like that. So when I get to level 11, this is storage, warehouse. When I get to level 11, I'll be able to buy chickens and get eggs. Maybe make omelets, I have no idea. Ooh. Ad. So with this ad, I'll be able to get a free order basically removed. So free XP and free money. Whatever. I think I've had this game before. I think it's pretty annoying. Whatever. No. So you see it says 14 blueberry smoothies, and the yellow means that's how many we have, and the red is how much we need to complete the order. If it has a tick, it means I've got enough, and yeah, so basically so on and so forth. These stuff over here, that's the plant, so you can complete the orders, get things. And you can also merge it. I'll give you an example. I'm pretty low on carrots. Pretty low on carrots and blueberries. Just put a bunch of carrots down. I'll feed some wheat. I've got a bunch of wheat. Gotta create some bread. Wanna get some carrot. What did it do? Oh, people want some blueberry juice now. Eggs. Just gotta merge. I don't know what to say about this. If we get smash the like button, if we get 3 likes, I'll make another video. I really need more space, so just this. That's all I can buy. Oh no. At least we'll get a lot of beans. Or not. So I'm thinking of making one video every day. Wait, no. So since I have 4 channels, I'm thinking of doing on all my channels 1 video a week. So I know, but maybe it'll be good. Wait, what? 3? That's 3 again. That's weird. Because these beans, it really confuses me. Because then huh? What kind of? Do you merge? That merges. Does that? Yes, it does. That? Yeah. No. I'm just not gonna got this. Can I merge it with anything? Yes, I can. This. What? Okay. I want to go back to... No. I want to make sure I've got some good amount of strawberries. Oh, come on. So many ads. No. So you guys don't have to watch the ad. I'm just gonna... That's better. Every time an ad pops up, I'll just pause the video. Okay. But these boosts are really good. Can't get any orders. So in about 1 month I've reached level 10. Because on the first day I was like level 4, but then you need more XP to get to the higher level. So yeah, so these are like tasks you can and add any claim all this. Oh, 100,000, that'll be good. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go and watch some ads to get some good upgrades. So I'm just gonna pause it so you don't have to just sit there watching. Okay guys, I've been waiting around maybe 5 minutes just farming coins. As you can see, I've got 300,000. Oh wow, that's wow, big wow. Wow, wow, wow. What? By accident I just pressed accelerate. Sorry, I don't know why I did that, but sorry, sorry. It's a bit laggy because of how good I am. Yeah. I'm not gonna accelerate. I'm not. No. Okay. Let's see. Is there any crops that I might need? Come on. No, I think I'm gonna go in and ad spray again and just get a bunch of like things. No. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. This is going to take a long time. So as you guys can see, I've gone on an ad spray. For me that took like 30 minutes. For you it's 1 second. It's like I was at breakfast in the meantime. As you can see, I have my money and my coins above this guy. You can see my coins. Put it here. Let's see. Can I merge it with anything? Does it say can? Yes, I can. I can't. I can't. Oh, I can also. And then this. And then, oh yay. Oh yay. Oh, I also discovered something. Never had that before. And then I can't merge this. I don't think so. No, I cannot. Oh, no. Sorry, I'm got bad singing. Okay. My strawberries. My very poor strawberries. No. actually proud with how much my strawberries have. What's it gonna do? Um, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, that's good. Three, two, one. Sorry if I say that too much. I do say that. Okay. I'm just gonna watch one more ad. The like seeds things, future thing. In this game, it doesn't have much, so yeah. That's all I can see. Like, you can also get more space, so that's why I really need coins to get more space. But that's the whole reason I went on the spree thingy-majig. That's 37. I do not want that. Let's see. 37. Okay. Okay. That's gonna move all down here. Just in case you're wondering, I play on iPad. I used to make my videos on computer. Well, I didn't make it a video. I made my YouTube channel on my computer. Now it's broken. When it gets fixed, I'm gonna I don't know. Oh. Sorry. Just ate. Yep. Yes, yes. Why do I keep on saying yes? I don't know why. Let me see. Okay. Wait, what? Where did it go? Whatever. Comment down below if you think that I should stop saying that all the time. Here? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna just create some bread. What do the people want most? So some strawberries. Yes. Some carrots. Some blueberries. Just gonna put some bread in the oven. I made some wheat. Wait, what am I talking about? I don't know. Oh, my stomach's rumbling so much. I don't know why. That shouldn't be over here. It should be over here. But for some reason, no matter how much I try, you cannot merge it. Hold on, can you? Maybe I should try. Nah. Here. Let's see. don't know if you can hear my stomach rumbling, but it is so bad. I don't know why. Was it something I ate? I just ate my favorite cereal. Okay, goes the thing. I don't know. I think I might end the video after. Hold on. I need to get pretty simple. Oh no. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, this order. Okay. I think I'll end the video over here. If you liked it, smash the like button. 3 likes. I'll make another episode. Let's see if you like it. Yeah, 3 likes. If not, well, I'm not gonna make another video. It was pretty boring. I want more milk actually. And then one more. Oh, okay. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, yikes. Actually, yeah, that's fine. That's me. So that goes like that. I'm gonna need more. I thought it was too much for a second, but then I remembered I'm gonna be merging this. Because before I had no idea how to like see it says 5 out of 5. I had no idea that you had to merge it. So I was just really confused, like how do I get that level? So I thought you just had to buy it. And then I did auto merge, and then it actually merged it for me, and then I realized. So then I thought, let's try it. Let's see, does also the cow shed do it? Yes, it does. Wait, what? So you guys don't have to watch this. I'm just gonna... There. Accelerated it. Just gonna accelerate this. What I mean, not accelerate it. What am I talking about? Okay, go. Few more. Hold on. So then I merge that. So that merges the merges. Okay. I'm just using more space. I wish you could delete it, but you can't. If you could, that'd be really helpful. Can you? I'm gonna try. You can't. Okay. I'm gonna end the video here. You know what to do. Smash the like button, subscribe, whatever. Comment what video I should do next. Roblox, Minecraft. Actually, Minecraft is gonna be on my Joseph Plays channel. Like a Roblox video, another Among Us, Bed Wars, Dragon City. I'm gonna make a Dragon City video right after this, so stay tuned for that. Peace out. Love you all. Bye bye.